Where are you from?
Philippines.
From the Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you too.
Good enjoy.
You guys are from?
Afghanistan.
Oh, I think it's my first time to meet someone from Afghanistan. Nice to meet you.
Nice
You
to
too?
meet you.
We were able to get a
Cheapest
discount from here. And I
Thank
think this is the cheapest
When will it
one.
come?
Yung nakausap natin ay may 6 shops around. You're offering water?
For free?
Okay, because we love your generosity, we'll take it. Wow, you're so rich. You also have coffee?
It's not finished.
Oh, this is not finished yet. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Tinanong ko sila, where is the cheapest wine? Tumawa na lang sila kasi I think yung San Diego hindi mo siya masabing cheap. Ito yung mga gusto ko kapag nagta-travel, we're able to get to know people who are kind-hearted. Diba? Taga-Afghanistan pala. First time ko makamit ng taga-Afghanistan. Hello guys! Kumusta kayong lahat? Nandito tayo ngayon sa San Diego, California. It's 5 p.m. Lakad-lakad lang tayo. So nandito tayo sa may USS Midway Museum na area. So kung napanood yung recent vlog ko, dito talaga tayo nang galing kasi nag-ano tayo kanina. Nag-whale watching. So sumakay tayo kayo sa Port of San Diego. Wala tayong nakitang whale talaga. Pero yung dolphin naman daw, it's a whale. So this is San Diego, California. Chill lang yung vibe. Ayan, no, kung makita nyo. Pa-sunset na. Ganda ng area na to. May mga nagja-jogging. Topless. For this video, pupunta tayo sa Seaport Village. So, it's one of the tourist spots din dito sa San Diego where we can see lots of souvenir shops, restaurants, live entertainment. Yan, kasi sinerch ko kung saan tayo pwede magpunta near the Port of San Diego. Ito. So, pwede kayong mag-start dito sa USS Midway. Yan daw yung #1 tourist spot here in... Actually, I feel ko naka-stop pa ya. #1 tourist spot here in San Diego. I think may ticket. Nakita ko sa Klook. $30. So, magkano $30? Nasa 1,700 yung ticket sa USS Midway Museum. May mga ano dyan, military na displays na mga artifacts. Kung magto-travel kayo guys in the Philippines, in the US, or anywhere else in the world, you can book your travel items, activities, tours on Klook and use my promo code DaveGinoClook para maka-discount kayo. You can also book your hotels on Agoda and use my code DaveAgoda para maka-discount din kayo. Okay? 10%. Tara, lakad-lakad lang muna tayo. Ito may mga yacht. Mga yacht here. Okay ka lang ma, naglalakad under the sun. Natatabunan naman kita ng shade.
Yeah.
Sis, mas matangkad ako sa'yo.
Okay lang.
Nagtatago ka lang sa akin eh.
Tatago lang.
Under my shade. Let's go. Yun know, may ibon. May park dito. Malapit sa port. And gusto ko yung weather, very pleasant. Hindi super init. Yung hangin malamig. May mga hotel na din dito, malapit sa port. Oh. Nandyan yung Grand Hyatt, Embassy Suites. And may mga souvenirs na rin ko yung makita around. Pero ayun na yung Seaport Village. Medyo tanaw na natin ang Seaport Village. Okay, maglalakad nga detakkaan, shade. Nagtatago ka sa anino ko. So, ako yung sakripisyo dito. Charing. Okay lang. Kung mas matangkad eh. I'm blessed to be taller. Wow. Ayan na yung Seaport Village. Yan yung na-search ko. Na pwedeng puntahan lapit sa Port of San Diego. Let's go and explore Seaport Village. Nakita din natin kanina yung mga yung mga colleagues natin na papunta sa direction na to. Feeling ko dito din sila talaga papunta sa may Seaport Village. Thank you talaga sa company natin. We worked so hard last year. So, this is an incentive trip for us. All expense paid. Pwedeng +1. Kaya kasama ko si mama ngayon. Siya agad yung naisip ko. Nung sinabing, pwedeng magdala ng +1. San Diego, California, Seaport Village. Dami ditong magpamilya. Oh, cute. May bibis dito Sabi nga kanina nila DeAndre, they feel na yung San Diego, it's really a city na damang-damo yung pagiging active ng mga tao. Parang Fort Lauderdale din. Kasi nasa Florida tayo 2 months ago. 2 months ago. Tapos kita ko din doon yung mga taong nagja-jog. Best part, mga naka-topless. Charing. Joke lang. Look. San Diego, California, Seaport Village. Ay, nagja-jogging na naman. Ano ba yan? Parang close yung area na to. Dine and shop. Parang daming closed. May tindahan ng mga damit sa loob. I think pang girls to, ma. Gusto mo magtingin-tingin? Gusto mo magtingin-tingin?
Yeah.
Sige. Tara. Kamamahal, $72. Adi man, $72. Magkano $72? 4,000 pesos. $72. Wild. Yun nasa $70 yung mga nakita nating damit dito. Ito nasa 9,000 pesos. Yung dress, 9,000 plus.
9,000 plus?
Yeah.
Oh my God. What about this?
So faith is a basic of thing defined. Ito, nasa 4,400. 4,480. Yung pants. Bakit? Gusto mo?
How much?
158. 9,064. Si mama kasi mahilig siya mag-ukay. So, nako-compare niya. May mga ganito daw sa ukay. Siyempre, iba-iba naman tayo ng preference. May gusto mag-ukay like her. Mayroon namang gusto talagang brand new. Diba? Pero siyempre, there's something na we won't buy. Ito, mga souvenirs na ito. Hanap tayo ng kainan. Ayun, parang may kainan doon. So I'm gonna love you. Dito tayo sa isang restaurant na tinatawag na Malibu Farm. Sa baba daw ay bar. Sa taas ay yung main dining nila. Chill lang ang vibe dito. Ayun yung second floor. Restaurant and bar. Oops. Is it closed?
Yeah, it is, but come on up. I'll open it for you. I'm
Oh.
gonna close doors.
Thank you.
Come on through.
Thank you so much. Dito tayo kasi may view ng park. Kain muna tayo before mag-shopping. Thank you.
Thank you for the water.
Of course.
Ganda dito sa taas kasi people watch lang. May view ng park. Such a laid back afternoon. Actually, alas 6 na. Ang in-order pala natin ay catch of the day. Nasa $42 siya. Wait lang. Siyempre, di yung makita. Kano ba yung $42? Search ko yung $42 kung magkano yan. 2,396.96 pesos. So, 2,397 yung in-order natin. Tapos, syempre, magtitip pa tayo dito. Nasa 2,300. My gosh. CR? Hindi, okay pa ako, ma. Okay pa ako dito. Yeah. Very nice CR. Yun yung mains nila. Nasa ganong price. $42. May $44. So, around 2,000 plus mga food. May $40 naman. Our order has arrived. Mine is chicken. Mama's fish. Yes, makain na tayo. Magsa-7 na. Nandiyan pa rin yung araw. Alright, let's eat. How's the fish, ma? Sarap. Delish. Yan yung kanilang catch of the day. Siyempre ako as a chicken lover, nag-chicken ako. This is the view while we eat. Sige, tikman natin yung fish ni mother. Merong broccoli. Broccoli ni, di ba? Margarine, butter. Such a big ship. Busugan naman. Pwede na hasta pang breakfast buwas. Look, The sunset is nice here. This is a nice resto with a nice view ng mga yacht. Ganda. Tara. 90-minute seating policy actively enforced. Malamig-lamig na guys dito sa labas. As in medyo nginig na lamig. 7:35 and di pa rin lumulubog ng tuluyan yung araw. Mga souvenir. Yes. May souvenir shop dito. Pasok tayo. Mga ref magnet. How much kaya? San Diego. $10.99. So, 400. Ay wait, $10. Magkano bang $10? So, yung ref magnet dito, nasa $11 na. So, sakti 627 in pesos. 627 pesos. Mga display. San Diego, California. There is so much. Ito mas mura. 9.99. 569.65 pesos. Ito mga t-shirt, mga sweatshirt. 19. Ito, sweatshirt. 29.99. Parang mas mura yung nakita natin sa New York or even in Washington, D.C. Gosh, nasa 1,710. Kasi sa New York, nasa $20 yung isa. Washington, D.C. nasa $19 yung isa din. Ito, 6.99. Parang okay na itong 6.99. 398.57 or 399. May 8.99 or 512.61. Yung bag guys, nakasulat San Diego. Pero made in China. So nasa 1,994.38 pesos. Nasa 19 yung bag. 19 pesos. This one made in China. 9.99. Ito nasa 854.37 pesos. Ito yung embracing piece na statue.
How much?
800 plus. 800 plus pesos. Nag-kiss sila randomly. Yung sailor patiners. Hindi sila makakilala. Tapos naging symbol na siya dito sa San Diego. After World War II. Ito mga boyloloys. Adi man, oh. 1 for 10, 3 for 25.
1 for 10.
Magkano ba ang $25? 1,424.89. 1,425. 3, ayun, ito. 3,414. Yung mga lights. Ito mga bags na may mga patterns. 49.99. Parang lahat 49.99. Kano bang 49.99? So, yung mga bag na to, nasa 2,848 pesos. Mga bags na may patterns. Ito mga sing-sing, $20. So, 1,139.47 pesos. Itong mga sing-sing na to. Ito yung tinatawag na evil eye, di ba?
Ano?
Evil eye ang tawag dyan. Uso yan eh. Evil eye. Nasa 1,423 pesos yung mga necklace. Ito pa. Nasa 1,400. Sunod-sunod yung shops dito. Ano lang tayo? Shops hopping. Ito naman mga sandals, polo, mga damit din nandito, tas bags. Captain's Cove gifts, nautical gifts. 7.99 USD. 454.79 pesos yung itong left magnet.
499.
499. Siya yung simple lang na ano, na pwede mo lang ma-print tas gawing ref magnet. Hindi ko masyadong bet yung ganyang ref magnet eh.
Kaya di rin.
4.99. So, nasa 284 pesos.
Sus, makas.
Kasi, it's not giving. Dito, mas mura dito. 13.99. Mas mura ng $1.
Ka na mga babies.
Where? Mga damit pambata. What about here? Yung kanilang mga display. 420. Yung una natin pinuntahan, 6.99. Yeah. Ito, may ganito sila. Walang price. Parang parehas lang yung price. May ibang iba lang ng Diyos ko, yung hairline ko talaga. Hindi masyadong natulog ng maaga. Sa stress ito, charing. Pero ayun, nagkaka-difference ng $1, ganun. Waray pa. Gusto ni mama ng mga burloloys. 14.99 or 853.82 pesos. Nasa 854. 14.99. From Istanbul, Turkey daw dito yung mga souvenir. Yung mga burloloy. So, pwede gamitin. Stainless. Pwede suotin kahit naligo. Look, may pa-carousel. Historic carousel. Kasi 1895 pa yung carousel na to. Magnetus Magnetic Attraction. Ito, kung bibili tayo dito ng 3 ref magnet, edi mas mura. Nasa 6.99 lang. 6.66 ang bawat isang ref magnet. Kasi 3 for $20 eh. So, bumalik tayo dito. Kung maramihan, mas nagmumura talaga siya.
Rent is very expensive.
The what?
Rent.
Rate?
Rent.
Rent.
Rent is
Yeah,
expensive.
the rental. The rental
But I see that, does this area have the cheapest souvenirs in San Diego?
In San Diego?
Yeah.
No way.
Why?
I don't
Are there cheaper areas to shop?
Because the weather is good, all the tourists come here.
Now it's not busy. You can come in next month and see line this way for
Okay.
this shop.
For this shop.
Because if school is finished, summertime.
Thank you. You guys provided me
all of the
discount.
stuff. Where are you from?
Philippines.
From the Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you too. From
Have
Manila.
a good enjoy.
You guys are from?
Afghanistan.
Afghanistan. I think it's my first time to meet someone from Afghanistan. Nice to meet you.
Nice
You
to
too?
meet you.
Yeah.
Post Instagram, TikTok.
Yeah. We'll
Yeah, I posted.
store.
Yeah, because
It'll be
we were
just
able
the
to get a
cheapest
discount from here. And I
Thank
think
you.
this is the
And
cheapest
many will
one.
come to
Yes.
visit your store.
So this store is named
You can go
Magnet
another my
Store.
shop and give you discount.
Oh, you have many shops?
Yes.
Oh, really?
You're rich. Okay.
Which shop you like? I'll give you discount.
It's okay.
Come on,
I think-
follow me.
No. We'll go home. We're gonna go to
I
Vancouver.
have 6 location is here.
Wow! You're so cool.
Thank you.
Grabe, ayun, naka-discount tayo dito. Yung nakausap natin ay may 6 shops around. And then,
Water, guys. Need the water?
it's all good. You're offering water? It's okay.
For free?
Okay, because we love your generosity, we'll take it. Okay? So
Go
we're...
to the Philippines?
No. Why? Why? Money.
Money's here.
Yeah. Money is in the US.
Money's in the US, right?
Wow, you're so rich. You also have a bakery? Like a cafe?
This is the coffee shop.
Whoa.
Shop. But where are you closed
This is
already?
not finished.
Oh, this is not finished yet. Okay, so this is a preview for us.
Preview.
You're so generous. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, this will be successful for sure. Successful cafe. When will this open?
Maybe 2 or 3 days next.
Oh, yeah.
Just the Turkish coffee.
Turkish coffee.
Turkish coffee, Turkish tea, Turkish baklava, Turkish food. all
Turkish
the stuff.
everything.
Yes, all the stuff.
Sige,
Great.
so we will advertise your
Yeah. Thank you. Bye-bye. Wait, ang bait niya. Nag-offer pa siya ng water. Medyo mahal nga dito sa San Diego. Pero na-search ko dito daw yung pinakamura eh. Pero nung tinanong ko sila, where's the cheapest one? Tumawa na lang sila. Kasi I think yung San Diego hindi mo siya masabing cheap. Pero yun, pwede naman palang tumawad. Ang bait niya. Ano pa tayo ng free water. So thank you so much. Nakalimutan ko i-ask yung name niya. Pero ang bait. Diba? May picture tayo together. Ito yung mga gusto ko kapag nagto-travel, we're able to get to know people who are kind-hearted. Diba? Taga-Afghanistan pala. First time ko makamit ng taga-Afghanistan. So, this is an experience dito sa San Diego. So yeah, Seaport Village is nice. It's laid back. Ito daw, di pa to maturist na season. So, kapag maturist daw talaga, I mean, peak season dito, ang haba daw ng pila dyan sa shop niya. So, this is Dave, guys. The Kudipat Traveler. Let's live our best lives. Bye-bye!